she could have find out, say my cheat, and just decide saying, fuck up that boy. Cause some girl, when them emotionally scared, or them in a emotional mayhem, are the worst woman. Mm, yeah, that's why I can't deal with drama and it be me. Yeah, from me see a girl dramatic, me dey even do want see her, you know. Ready, me ready if it done with her, you know. You see me? People remember me don't know what really happening, but I'm saying that are the most probable cause me I look upon, you see me? What you mean, Cash Queen? What you mean? You live a foreign long time. You know what you we attack. You know what you we attack. Alright. You will have a girl, you know. And I live good and I live decent and I live good every day. You see the minute you say to her say, um, pay for this for me or lend me a money till me get the money and me you or you say, you know, I want to take out the bedroom set for going to a new place, but through me credit more, you take it out for me. Yes, if from she take out that, how the blood clot there. She start act brand new, you know. But still a girl say, yo, more you co-sign a vehicle for me. Then start act brand bomber clot new, you know. Everything a problem now. Can them feel like them all up your life, you know. Me no ramp for tell them go suck out them woman, you know, and keep me out to myself, you know. Yeah, man. I want you. That's why I love how God make me, you know. God make me face and dark, you know. God make me move different. Me we got face the tribulation. Me walk like you're in a girl. And go face whatever tribulation there with them. You think a girl can hold on a green card thing and hold me hostage? Go suck your mother your green card, but I want to you. Out of Bellevue, a pink card, me have to ask them. Mad. You see me? Yeah, but you know, I say it go the other way. Yeah, it go the other way sometimes. But when you love do that for balance and equate for woman going with. The ratio of woman are destroy man life because the man connected to them is way different from man a destroy woman life. No joke. You see me? I'm telling me. No girl can hold me hostage because of a vehicle, no green card, no house, no nothing. I want to tell me go in our shelter, go live here, idiot. Me go over Walmart right now, go buy a blow up bed. I want to tell you. Maybe go over Walmart right now, go buy a blow up bed and say, yo, hear me junior skeg. You see, me I use a blow up bed and I live in the room until me get a place. And Michelle, do me a beg you. Don't cuss. You're mad. You think me having a girl take a step on me, you come as crazy, man. You got suck her mother. I'm here. I'm gonna see girl dealing man some way, dog. You must see crazy, man. I'm there. I must say, I'm gonna rent a storage space and sleep in that. I must say, mad. No girl can't ramp with me. None. 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 And a girl with good and go have dinner right now. And we sit down around the table. And she says something I not like and plate and everything fly. I'm going to walk down. Call her lift same time. If I she drive me jump in her lift, you're mad. Me dark them way them in a run joke. They crazy, man. Me play blood girl and my name, I must say crazy. No girl can hold me hostage. None. For no reason at all. No money, no link, no green card, no citizenship, no nothing, no house, no vehicle, no furniture, no nothing. Nothing. You must say, you mad? Weird? You must say crazy.
Anyways, people, that is all for right now. Let me know what you think about that. What you put type of talk about.